All right, now we're going to cut our last two bits of veggies. We're going to take our carrot and we're just going to cut off a small piece. Go ahead and peel off the outer layer of skin. We're going to cut these into very thin slices. We want them crunchy, but we don't want them raw. Then we're going to take our zucchini and we're going to cut that just like we did with our carrot. And then we're going to place everything into our baking dish. And give final once over so that we're sure they're all separated. We're going to take our mustard sauce and we're going to drizzle that over the top. And then we're going to put this in the oven for about 15 minutes.